Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In today's video, we are going to discuss about different activities, fun activities that can be organized on the occasion of International Day of Yoga 2025. Now, as you know, United Nations has declared 21st June as International Day of Yoga. This has effectively facilitated the global dissemination of significance of yoga for overall health and well-being and enduring sustainable lifestyle. Now, here is the suggestive activities to celebrate the International Day of Yoga 2025. The first activity, school can organize yoga workshop and seminar for students and teachers and encourage them to practice and adapt yoga. Second, they can organize mass yoga demonstration may be arranged on the International Day of Yoga where all the students and teachers can participate and perform yoga. Then they can organize quiz and essay writing competition on yoga theme. It's create interest among students. Next, school can encourage student and staff to participate in various International Day of Yoga competition organized by Ministry of Ayush on mygov platform. Few competitions are like e-poster competition, essay competition, Yog Geet or Jingle Contest 2025. Then school can also publish yoga and International Day of Yoga specific article in a school e-newsletter, bulletin, magazine, etc. Next, a yoga quiz. A yoga quiz is organized by Ministry of Ayush in collaboration with mygov on platform. I have given the link in the description of this video. You can participate in that yoga quiz using the link. Then, Namaste Yoga app. This app is a one-stop health solution that enable people to access yoga related information, yoga events and yoga classes at their fingertip. The app also provides information on one's physical activity in terms of step count and calorie burn. At the end, school need to write a brief report of activity including 2 to 3 photographs, and that can be uploaded in the given Google form. Link for this Google form I have added in the description of this video. This report will go to CBSE. That's all for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye. Keep learning.